Okay, uh, so in this video, um, yeah, I'm going to, I'm super congested right now, so I literally cannot breathe through my nose. So I'm going to try to force a sneeze attack, uh, using turmeric and a Q-tip. If this doesn't work, I'll try tissue. Alright. So, I honestly feel like I'm immune to spices. I don't know why spices don't make me sneeze, but here recently I've been discovering that spices don't work on me, you know. And I've tried the tissue method. I have tried, and so far it hasn't worked for me. Well, it's been working. It's been working pretty well, I'd say, but I want to try a different approach. So I'm going to try to tickle my nose, force a sneeze attack. Oh God, I can already feel my nose getting tickly. Oh God, I think from sniffing the turmeric. Okay. Oh God, yeah, definitely that right nostril. So I'm gonna try this right nostril right here. Oh. Oh. Oh, it burns. It burns, it burns. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, so it's not making me sneeze, it just burns. That's weird. I thought the turmeric was really gonna. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. 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 So, there's one sneeze. uh, I'm going to try the tissue approach now. Same nostril, but, this time I've rolled it up really super teeny tiny so I could easily tickle the inside of my nose. Oh, it's still got the turmeric in there and it's itching, it's burning, okay, I hope this works. Okay, I just gotta move. Slowly. Come on. You can do. Oh God. Okay, that really tickled. Okay, maybe if I just brush the inside of my nose. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, it's not working. Okay. Okay. So the turmeric, unfortunately, I got only one sneeze out of the right nostril, so we're gonna try this again, but this time I'm gonna dip the tissue in a tiny bit of turmeric and see if that triggers anything. Oh, my nose was going crazy on Live on Kick the other day. Oh, my nose is just, this right nostril is just like extremely runny. Oh my gosh, it's just like horrible. Okay. Oh God, I hope this works. Okay. I'm gonna try a bit more now. It's a little wet from the snot. I'm just gonna rub it along the inside of my nose. Oh God, that tickled. Okay, I think I feel it. I just gotta tickling this spot right here. Oh my God. Come on, you can do it. Come on. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna keep tickling this spot until I get a sneeze. My eyes are starting to water. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. It's coming. It's coming. Oh God. Okay. Just keep. That one spot. Oh God. Oh God, it tickles. Oh God, it tickles so much. Come on. Come on. Oh, my eyes are watering. My nose is getting really runny. Oh, come on. Please sneeze. Come on. Okay. Come on, you could do it. Oh, I've only got like 4 more minutes before this video times out. Oh. Okay. Oh, that tickles. Oh. Oh, come on. Come on. Just a bit more. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, nose. Come on. Well, it's not working, but my tissue is, the tip is extremely soaked. I don't know if y'all can see how soaked that is. This one too. It's like extremely soaked. I need to blow my nose. Oh God. Oh. Oh man, I blew so hard that I blew a hole through my tissue. Oh my God. You guys. That is just, oh God. I'm trying to get his, oh God. Okay. Oh. Oh God. Oh. That is, oh my God. I'm surprised that didn't make me sneeze. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, this is disgusting. Oh. Oh God. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh God. Look at all that turmeric. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. Okay. So the turmeric obviously didn't work but one time. And I think I was gonna try again, but I think we're getting towards the end of this video. So I will see y'all later.